Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by opening the right Google Maps interface, My Maps for simple edits or the Maps platform for code. Sign in, open the map, and select the marker you want to change. Once done, choose or upload a custom icon. Use PNG or SVG sized about 32/128 pixels to keep clarity. Make sure you have the icon URL handy on desktop or the file on mobile. This step ensures you're modifying the correct marker and prevents accidental edits to other layers. Now change the marker itself. In My Maps, click the marker, hit Edit, choose Change Icon, then add Custom Icon and paste the URL or upload your file. If you use the Maps JavaScript API, update the marker with marker. Set icon URL, size New Google. Maps, size XY, anchor New Google. Maps, point XY. Make sure to test anchor and size so the pointer tip aligns with the geographic point. Also check retina. Finish by saving and testing. Refresh the map, zoom through levels, and verify the pointer aligns across devices. If the icon fails to appear, check the URL is reachable, no CORS issues, correct file format, and the path in your code or My Maps entry. If alignment is off, tweak the anchor and size parameters, then re-upload. Finally, keep a backup of the original icon and map version so you can revert quickly if something breaks during adjustments.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.